The solar system formed over millions of years from a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust. As this cloud collapsed, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the material ended up in the center, forming the sun. Pluto was once considered the ninth planet, but it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Since then, astronomers have found several other dwarf planets in the outer solar system. Leftover bits of rock and ice condensed into the planets and other objects that orbit the sun today, and took this famous photo of the planet's moon Io. Io is the smallest of Jupiter's. It's about the same size as Earth's moon, but its gravity is much weaker. At its farthest, Pluto is nearly twice as far from the sun as Neptune. Pluto takes about 248 Earth years to orbit the sun just once. For example, the impact of a large comet or asteroid is thought to have caused the dark spot seen here on Mercury. That's because Io is made mostly of lightweight materials like sulfur. There are millions of asteroids in the solar system, but most of them are pretty small. It's all around you. Ceres, the largest asteroid, is only about 9 miles wide. They share an orbit with a planet, but instead of orbiting the planet, they follow it around in a stable region on either side. Jupiter has about 1,000 Trojan moons, but no other planet has any. Comets often have masses of only a few million miles. The best-known comet, Comet Halley, has a mass of about 3.3 trillion miles. All the planets in the solar system rotate on their axes with slight tilts. Mercury's tilt is almost 0 degrees, and the Earth's tilt is 23.5 degrees. You probably already know that the solar system is made up of 8 planets, including Earth. Look up the name of your home planet in a search engine. Add the word facts to the end of the name. If you live on Earth, you'll find lots of cool facts about our home planet. Mercury spins in the opposite direction. No one knows why Venus and Uranus rotate the way they do. All the planets have been retrograde at some point in the past. The largest moon relative to its planet is Titan, which is about the same size as Earth's moon. Saturn's moon Titan is the only moon in the solar system known to have an atmosphere. This means they moved in the opposite direction in the sky for a while, before turning around and moving forward again. You might also know that each planet has at least one moon. But did you know that there are hundreds of moons in the solar system? The largest moon in the solar system, for example, is Ganymede, which orbits Jupiter. It's so big that it would be the 3rd largest planet if it were on its own. And then there are the dwarf planets like Pluto and Ceres, the only one in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Here are more fun facts about the solar system. Some exoplanets have more than 2 moons. Uranus and Neptune are sideways. All the planets except Venus and Uranus rotate in the same direction as the Sun rotates. In 1979, a space probe named Voyager flew by Jupiter. Most of the moons in the solar system are like Io in that they are much smaller than their planets. The solar system extends all the way out to Pluto, which is about 3.7 billion miles away from the Sun. If a comet or asteroid collides with a planet, it can leave a scar on the planet's surface. Some asteroids are actually moons in disguise. These objects are called Trojans. Finally, if you want to learn more about the solar system, try this. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, space is not just far away.